We have a LangChain here, and you need to create the three different projects here, right? With the help of TrueLens, then we need to create the application with the Streamlit. Then you can try to create the same applications with the help of Cloud App, and just try to explore the 15 applications, 15 to 26 application here with the help of chair like this one, like OpenAI or the generative AI. And the last one, you need to create the RAG application, that is RAG application, retrieval augmented generation engine. Okay, and if you want the code for the RAG, you can just check it out this repo. If you want the repo, I'll already send it in the chat section, so you can directly take it. So what you need to do is, I'll repeat once again what projects we need to build or once the session over. So this is like for generative application with the help of, like, this is the Q&A application. They are using the Gemini API. We need to build the Q&A applications with the help of Gemini like an API. So you can take the directly code. You need to create the chat models here. Okay. Now we can our model object and generate the chat completion. So we need to create the chat models, and you need to write a prompt, and it'll get the output. So you need to type here, that is language demo with the Gemini. Gemini. You need to enter your questions here, and when you get the when you like put your input, you'll get the output here, like output parser. Why we are using the output parsers? Because we need the data, we need the output in a simple format. So why that's why we are using the this one, what you can say, the output parser. Now then you need to run the code with the help of Streamlit application, Streamlit run app.py. I repeat once again, please try to check it out this repo. If you want to create the simple Gemini application, that is Q&A applications, if you want to build, okay, we need to use the output parsers. We need to create the chat models here. Why we are using the chat models? Because why we are using the chat models? Because we need to create the conversation based application. So that is Q&A application, and also you need to mention the prompt also, like chat prompt template. Prompt template means what? We have a temporary templates. Okay, so this projects also you need to try. Then the second one, you can find out the multiple repos there. Okay, then the second chat GPT clone we have, if you want to create the chat GPT like application, chat GPT like application, like chat GPT 4 or chat GPT different variants, if you want to find it out, please try to check it out this code. Again, you need to install the different libraries. You need to put your API keys. Which API keys you need to type? You can use the OpenAI or the Cohere API key. And then you need to set your default model here. Set the open API key from the Streamlit secrets. Then initialize the chat history. Then display the chat messages from the history on the app rerun and accept user input. So for the code explanations or for the code, if you want to write the code, you can just check it out the OpenAI or the this one model, like OpenAI or the LangChain documentations. OpenAI or the LangChain documentations you need to check, and you can run these projects with the help of Streamlit. We have a Streamlit application, or even you can directly run it in the Python. Okay, so please try to create, if you want to create the own chat GPT application, try to explore this code, the second one. Then third applications we have here. Let me check it out. We have a third application. So this is like environment. Okay, get an API key, MySQL. Okay, fine. So let me check the requirement.txt file and map.py. So again, this is like chat models only you need to create, like question answering applications we need to build. That is Q&A applications we need to build with the help of Gemini, with the help of Llama and the Llama 2, with the help of Llama and the Llama 2. So once the session over, just try to explore it. Okay, you need to check it out the code. You need to correct this code with the help of Cohere. You can correct this code with the help of Gemini or the Llama. You can take the different APIs and you just run it. So this is your third application. Then we have a fourth one. First one, that is Gemini application. Second one, Chat GPT clone. Third one, Q&A. Then the fourth one, that is L6 we have, that is app.py. This is like chat prompt template. So basic chat prompt template we need to create. So they are using the Olama LLM and the chat prompt template. So you need to run these applications with the help of Streamlit only. Streamlit one. Okay, then we have RAG. I'm talking about these applications you need to build, and you can add it in your, like, in LinkedIn profile. RAG application. So how to run this one? You can check it out the code here. You need to mention the chat models. You need to mention the prompt, and in the chat models we have a different type of messages, right? Like AI message, human message. You need to mention here AI message, human message, and you need to write up questions. You'll get the outputs there. And if you want the more responses, you can increase your temperature. These parameters you need to increase temperature and the max token. And once you increase the tokens and the max token and all, you'll get the, like, lot of responses there. Then you need to check the requirement.txt file. You need to run all the files and you'll get the outputs here. So this is your next project, that is RAG applications. Then the L8. So this is like Gemini RAG. The first one that is OpenAI, and the second one that is Gemini RAG. And the last project, this is L9 with the help of like Hugging Face. Hugging Face LLM model we need to create. Hugging Face LLM. This is like Jupyter file. We can find it out here. That is IPYNB. Then you need to run all the projects from this repo. This is like blog generation, conversational Q&A, LLM generic applications, Q&A chatbot using LLM, text summarization, and chat multiple documents. Have you run this project? Participants, have you run this project? The chat model, chat multiple applications, so the multiple document. Please tell me. Chat multiple documents. 67101. Have you run this one? 67A1. 67A1. Have you tried this the project 67A1? Just tell me in the chat section. No, yesterday you not try. Anyone you try the chat multiple chat application model? Just a minute. The fifth one, multiple chat application model. Multiple chat application model. Just a minute. I'll just check it once again. This one we already try yesterday. Block generation, then the conversational, then the third one that is LLM generic application. We need to try the chat multiple documents. Chat multiple documents. This one. Chat multiple document. Do you have a VS Code? Is 67A1 you have a VS Code? Please tell me. If you have, we can try this one, last one. Actually, I'm having some problem with the VS Code, so that's why. If you're having a VS Code, then please try to share your screen. I'll share the link also. I'll tell you the process, what you need to do. Okay? Just try to share your screen. I'll just close your, stop my screen sharing, and you can share your screen now. You can share your screen. We can try this one, the last one. I'll make a co-host. Just a minute. 67A1 now. 67A1. I don't have a permission. You're the co-host right now, I think. Charan, can you make him a co-host? 67A1?
Yes, sir. I will make it.
Okay, you just make it. Okay, the chat multiple documents now. Okay, just do one thing. You have a Cohere API, right? You
Yes,
already
sir.
done the first one, the block generation. Block generation is working. Yesterday we tried, no? Block generation we tried, I think, yesterday. That is Q&A. Also, we tried this one. Text summarization is also working yesterday only. Now, just do one thing. Chat multiple documents model. Open the chat PDF one dot py. And now just do one thing. Open your terminal and just type there pip install py pdf2. Just a minute. Pip install py pdf2. This is the query. Py pdf2. Pip install py pdf2 and paste enter. Pip install py pdf2. Done. Now next one, just type pip install streamlit. Pip install streamlit. Next one, pip install .env. Pip install .env. Pip install .env. .env. Dot env. Pip install .env. It will take some times. Okay. What happened? It's not working. Pip install .env.
Got some error, sir.
Okay, just type next one, that is pip install langchain. Pip install langchain. pip install langchain. Done. Pip install langchain. Next one, pip install FAISS. Pip install FAISS. Enter. Okay, just type pip install FAISS hyphen CPU. Pip install CPU. Enter. It's done. Now, just a minute. Pip install langchain community. Pip install langchain underscore community. Pip install langchain underscore community. Enter. It's done. Now, next one. Pip install OpenAI. But right now we are not using the OpenAI now. So, okay, you just try their pip install Cohere once you complete it. Once you install this one. Pip install Cohere. Enter. Just a minute. Google generative embeddings. Google generative. Google generative embeddings install. This is like API, I think. Install. Just a minute. Just type this one. I already sent in like chat section. Pip install langchain hyphen Google hyphen Gen AI. Pip install langchain hyphen Google. Right. Enter. Next one, prompt TML. Pip install prompt TML. Prompt ML. Next one, pip install prompt ML. It will take some time. Wait. Pip install prompt ML. Prompt ML. ML. Enter. Okay, fine. Then the next one, pip install like chat Google generative AI. Chat Google generative AI. The this one, 8 line. Chat Google, chat capital. Chat Google generative AI. The 8 line. Line number 8. Pip install chat Google generative AI. What happened? Chat Google generative AI. Okay, fine, no problem. Just do one thing. Launch in Google Gen AI. Fine, we already installed. Now just type now. You have a bash. Bash. You already in bash, right? Now just try to access the path only. Like cd space, cd space complete, cd space c capital complete line chain. Enter. Now you need to access this one. Cd space complete line chain. Just type the ls. Chat PDF. Okay, just type that pip install. Sorry, no. Streamlit run chat PDF1.py. Chat PDF1.py. I think you are getting error with the API. Okay, it's working, I think now. Actually, you need to upload the document. Any single document you need to upload it. So basically, anyway, it's working. I think you can upload any one documents and you can type anything from the documents, and you'll get the output there. Any related documents you can upload. So and you can ask the question. Okay, submit documents. EOF marker not found. No, you are getting error. EOF marker not found. Just a minute. EOF marker not found. Open your PDF file in another application. EOF marker not found. Just a minute. Huh? Report downloaded for the project. Download successful EOF marker. How to fix UI PDF. Actually, you are not able to read the text from the PDF, so that's why we are getting UF marker error. Mm, UI PDF. Just a minute. Okay, just do one thing. Just copy the error, like UF marker error. Put it in the chat GPT. Put it in the chat GPT. UF marker error, like how to solve the error with the UF marker. I think we need to change the version and other thing. Just take it. Like what we are getting error now. Just a minute. Error. Just take the file, upload it, submit and process. Okay, what? Your default credentials were not found. To set up applications default credentials, see the cloud Google. Actually, they are using the like Google API. So we need to set the Google API right now.
Yes, sir.
So just do one thing. Take whole code. Just go to the VS Code. VS Code. Okay, just take whole code and paste it in. Put it in like GPT, and just type this. Correct this code with Cohere. GPT and correct this code with the help of Cohere. Just open the chat GPT and type there, correct this code with the help of Cohere. And paste your code. Okay, wait a minute. Wait. Okay, just copy the code. Just copy code. Copy whole code. Copy code option is there. Copy and paste it in like in the previous one. VS code. Just remove the first code and paste this one. Okay, done. You have a Cohere account. You have a Cohere account?
Yes,
Did you
sir.
take the? Okay, just take the Cohere API key. Cohere API key. You need to take the Cohere API key. Here you need to try, I think. You change the code, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cohere API option is there. Are they asking for the Google API only? Okay. Mm, they mentioned the Google API, not the Cohere API. Just just let me check the chat GPT code. Just give me the chat GPT code now. Just get back to the chat GPT. Wait. Google API key. Configure the Google generative AI with the API key. Google generative AI API key. Just a minute now. Okay, you need to take the Gemini API key also. Just do one thing now. Can you create your account at the Gemini API key? Gemini API key. Anyway, it's okay. It's okay. I'll tell build it with the Gemini API key. Okay, I'll tell you the two things why we are getting error. It's okay, it's okay. Keep it here, no problem. I'll tell you two different things why you are getting error, because we are getting error with the API keys. We need to set the Gemini API key because we are creating the chat like this one, multiple documents model with the help of Gemini. So we need to set the Gemini API key, and the second one to Cohere API key. Two API keys we need to set, and once we set the Cohere API key, we have a third error called as EOP PDF parser. So we need to change the version of the PDF documents or the loader. Then only we are able to access this one. Okay. So this is our like like next project like chat multiple documents. I think we already yesterday we already like demonstrated all the projects, right? I think, right. So check your VS code once again. So yesterday we saw the first one, that is block generation, then the second one, that is calories help, chat multiple documentation, conversation, LLM generic application, Q&A chatbot, and the text summarization. So everyone, once your session over, please try to check all the code, just try to execute all the tasks. And I'll tell you one more thing, you are getting error with the only the API keys, okay? You are getting error with the API keys and the libraries. So you need to install the proper API keys, proper libraries. You should know about how to create the virtual environment. You need to you need to activate the virtual environment. These are the things you need to do. One more thing, please try to explore the lablab.ai for your like advanced purpose. Please try to learn the things about the RLHF, like what is RLHF, how it works. Okay, so these things you need to do. Now just a minute, just a minute. I'll just give you the one more link here. So you just, if possible, you just try to access it. Just a minute. I have a one more link. I'll just send it to you. Uh, Code basics. Then we have Krishna like this one. The LLM documents buddy. Okay. Just a minute. I'll share the one more link. Where I put the key. Wait. Huh. I sent the one more the repo. Just try to check it out. This repo. Check your like this one. Check the repo. I have sent it to you. Please try to check it out. This repo and just do the git clone in VS Code. Git clone, paste your link. Okay. Langchain. Okay, git cloning. No. You need to first access the documentation. Just try to access the documentations. Open it in Google Chrome browser first. Enter and just go to the generative AI. Just go to the generative AI. We need to take the code actually. The GenAI. No, the repo, the whole repo you can access it now. We need to go to the code section, right? Go to the code and just copy. And just paste it there. Git clone, paste your link. Now you're getting all the files, right? All right. Now just try to check it out. The second, okay, fine. Next, L5, next. No, next, L6, L7. REG, this one we need to access. So just go to the app.py, seventh one, L7, app.py. All right. We need to create the REG application here. So what you need to do is, again, go back to the terminal. Or just do one thing, just take whole code and just put it in chat GPT and just tell them like give me the code with the cohere. Give me the code with the cohere API. Give me the code with the cohere API. Give me the code with Cohere API. Okay, just copy. Let's copy the code. Copy. Put it in the VS Code now. Hmm. Okay, done. Now you need to install all the libraries. Yeah, I think you already installed, right? Cohere, Chroma, and all. Fine. Anyway, now just scroll a little bit. Just scroll a little bit now. Small one. Okay. API key option is there. Okay, there is no option for the API key. I think we need to create the .env file, and we need to Cohere API key. Okay. Complete. Okay, just scroll. Okay, no problem. You can directly run it now. Streamlit run app.py. Streamlit run app.py. Streamlit run app.py. Okay, you need to create the environment also. Okay, you'll get only the user interface, not get the application. Just get back. VS Code, VS Code. Just get back to the VS Code. Uh, what kind of error we are getting? Cohere embedding, then the Cohere API key. Okay, did not find the Cohere API key. Please add an environment variable Cohere API which contains it or pass the Cohere API as a name parameter. Actually, we need to create one more file there, that is .env file. You can create the file there, .env file. I need to pass the variable. .env file is there. You can remove the API, add their Cohere API equals to double quote and paste your key. And then okay, now try to run it. I think we need to install all the libraries. Just get back to the once again VS Code and install the libraries. Pip install Chroma. Pip install Chroma. Pip install time. Pip install Chroma. Pip install Chroma. CHROMA. Key error. Just type the C capital. Pip install C capital. Okay, it's okay, installing. Next one, pip install time. Pip install time. Okay, not working. Just go to the next one. Pip install Cohere embedding. Pip install Cohere embeddings. Cohere embeddings. Cohere embeddings. Again, we are getting error. Okay, just do one thing. Next one, pip install chat prompt template. Chat prompt template. pipinstall.env, pipinstall.env, pipinstall.env. Okay. And now run it. Streamlit run and directly run it. Again the same thing. Just do one thing, get back, get back. What? User agent. We are getting error, the key error. User agent key error. Just a minute. Just put the code in the GPT. User agent error. User agent error. Wait, the key error user agent. Array again, the API key is loaded value available or not. Add the user agent parameter. Actually, you need to check the API key. You need to set the API key once again in the terminal. Like the export API key equals to export cohere API key equals to cohere API key in the terminal only, like bash terminal. Hmm. Right, same. Export. Now try run it. The user agent, no? Agent in RAG. Because you have not set the environment variable. You already set the environment variable. Working with me in the streamlet. Okay, fine. Mm. Okay, just do one thing. Just do one thing. Try to access the first one. That is L1, L1, L1. Try to access the first one, L1. How is the L1? L1 is not there.
It's starting from L3, sir.
L3 now. Okay, check the L4, L4. Or L4. Chat GPT like app.py. Just open it. Okay, just a minute. What they are using? Again, they are using the OpenAI. Means again we are getting error. We need to change the things. Check the L5. Okay, myapp.py. Just open the myapp.py. Myapp2.py. Myapp2.py. Right. Just scroll. Okay. Scroll cells. They are using the Google search engine. Okay. L6 app1.py. App1.py. Oh, Lama, fine. First GenAI application. Okay, try to access the first one. L3, L3, L3. .py file you can access. GenAI QNAP.py. First file, first, huh? What they are doing? Okay, Streamlit, chat prompt template. Okay, just take copy, and paste it in GPT and just give me the code with the coherent. Coherent. And it directly copy the code, like first one. Just copy. Put it there. And just install the libraries. Pip install streamlit, pip install .env, chat prompt template, cohere, and the last one. Pip install .env, pip install chat prompt tml. Okay, you can directly run it. Streamlit run. Sorry, you need to mention the API key. Cohere API key. There. Cohere API option is there. Cohere API key. Just put your API key and just directly run it. And now Streamlit run and directly run it. Streamlit run. QA Gemini app I underscore QA underscore I think. What is the name? The Streamlit is not working. Please install the Streamlit first. Or maybe you need to activate your virtual environment. VNV space VNV. Enter. Now type the source. Wait. It will take some time, right? Source, source. Just type source slash. Wait. Source. I think VNV. No, just remove the slash and just type there VNV slash bin.
Sir, in that folder, bin is not there. We can check it here. Include live and scripts are there.
Now you can access the scripts and activate.
Sir, which activate? There were many activate files.
Activate. You just type the activate.
Okay, sir.
First one source VNV. Bin is not there. No, you can add the scripts slash activate. What? Source is not working. Okay, it's done now. Okay, now just try to run it. Streamlit run and this one. Enter. Streamlit not found. Just check the application name. Is it correct? Streamlit run Gemini underscore. What st output parser, langchain output parser? Okay, you need to install the langchain community. Pip install langchain community and st output parser. Pip install st. Okay, just a minute. Huh. Pip install langchain underscore community. Done. Pip install langchain underscore community. Huh? It will take some time. Wait. Or just close it. Control C. Command C. And then type there langchain pip install langchain underscore community. Pip install langchain underscore community. And now you just do one thing. Now you already run the local host, right? Just take
Yes.
the just take the error. Just take the error now. Actually output parser is the output parser. Check the error. Actually we need to this one st output parser. Just copy whole error, put it in the GPT. I think we need to install the st output parser. Just put it whole code. The error, huh? GPT. Or you can directly download if possible. st output parser. But PP is not working for the st output parser. st output parser. Just take the whole this thing now, like take the output error and put it in a GPT. Error. Localhost
Af-
error.
After giving that error only, it gave this code.
Okay.
May I
After the
copy
error.
this?
Okay, no problem. Just copy and paste it there. Now put your API. You already put the API key, na? Fine anyway. Now directly run it. You need to mention the API key. Just run it. Application name, like Cohere API key is missing. Set in the environment variable. Output parser. Again API key is missing. You already put the API key, na? Just refresh it. Mhm. You already put the API key, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, just try to put the another API key, create the one new trial API key, na?
Okay,
With
sir.
the code. And just try it, last one. You need to log in first. You need to create your account. Now go to the API section and create a trial key. Again, they are showing the same one.
Okay,
Anyway, I'll share my screen now. You just stop your screen sharing.
okay, sir.
Hmm. So anyway, I repeat once again, please try to check it out. Like during the 3 days workshops, we've seen a lot of like GitHub repos, and you need to explore a lot of projects here. It starts from the Q&A application or like LangChain Q&A, then the RAG application is there. Please try to explore the things about the RLHF, that is like reinforcement learning human feedback. Also how it process, you need to check it out here. And one more thing, I suggest to one channel here, please try to check it out, the Royal Institute London, GenAI. You need to check the three keynotes talk there about the generative AI, the fine tuning, reverse fine tuning, the addressing the risk of generative AI and the future of generative AI. One more thing, do some certification from the deep learning AI. You need to check it out this channel, this one. You can explore all your stuff or your terminology related to deep learning, that is supervised or the unsupervised learning. Okay, so please try to check it out these two things. One more, please try to explore all the tutorials, all the things from the lab AI. You can learn the things about like the cohere assistant API. These are the APIs. Okay, then we have a model called as llama 3.1, where you can learn the things about the translation with the llama 3.1, exploring the AI ML API with the agents. Then you can learn the things about like this one, generative AI studio, Gen AI studio. Okay, like how to take the API keys, how to create the multiple or the extraordinary images there. Also, please try to explore the things about the Meet Journey. This one, Meet Journey AI. You can check the whole documentations about the Meet Journey and create the extraordinary images there. This one, the Meet Journey. So, what is a Meet Journey? Meet Journey is an independent research lab exploring a new medium of thoughts and expanding the imaginative power of the human species. So, please try to create your account in the Meet Journey. You need to have like Discord account, or you can follow the procedure there. If you want the documentations, go to the documentations part here about the Meet Journey. So click on the quick start guide and you can learn the things about like how to create the extraordinary images, what kind of prompts you need to use. You just check it out this one. Also, please try to explore this one. This is like another website called as Meet Journey. Another one that is Meet Journey. This is like the AI alternative that celebrates women. Okay. So Meet Journey is now offline. So you can find the multiple like alternative option for the Meet Journey. Even one more thing, please try to check it out, the Stable Diffusion, the another platform, Stability AI. Okay, you can create the videos, you can create the images, activating the humanity potential through the generative AI. So please try to check it out this platform. There is one more platform you need to check, like Stable Diffusion video, Stable Diffusion audio, Stable Video 3D, Stable LM 2.166b, And if you're not doing anybody's songs, or if you're gonna build your own music, go for this like this one. What you can say, you can go for like the AI music models. Okay, so please try to check it out, the Stability AI, Mid Journey. And one more thing, please try to check it out, how to prompt.in, to explore the multiple things, how to prompt.in. Also try to explore the different projects from the Hugging Face. Try to explore the different projects from the Hugging Face. Okay, this one, that is T2V Turbo, then the Lotus Normal, Pyramid Flow, Meet Music Generator. And also please check the hackathon statements. You need to check and explore the different LLM models there, and create your own applications with the help of Streamlit, with the help of Chainlead, with the help of Streamlit, and with the help of Chainlead. Then we have another one, that is 11 Labs. Please try to check it out, the things from the 11 Labs, like how to create the own podcast generative applications. So please try to check this platform called as 11 Labs. Okay, the voice generation online. So you can create the multiple product there, like video applications, audio application. And how many of you use the iPhone here? In your iPhones, you all are using the 3 nanometer chips, right? Now, what is the length of 3 nanometers? 3 nanometers means very tiny particle. Our here length is like 100 nanometer. I repeat once again. This is like ASML lithography. This one you need to check. Just do the research on the ASML lithography. Our hair length is like 100 nanometer. In your phones, in your iPhones, you all are using the 3 nanometer chips. 3 nanometer chips means, which is a very tiny particle, and which is the hardest thing to do in the world. But there is a company in the Taiwan, they can build the 50,000 chips per second, which is the hardest thing to do in the world. And this happened because of the computing power, because of the artificial intelligence, right? If this happens, you can do anything. And I don't know when, but in the future, we don't need the musicians. In the future, we don't need the content editors, content editors and the writer. You can do multiple things here. So please try to check it out, the ASML lithography. You can do the R&D, that is research and development, on the ASML. This one you need to check it out. Okay. And also please try to explore the multiple labs from the 11th labs. Okay, this platform. Like you can create the multiple models like text to speech to speech, text to sound effects, sound cloning, and voice isolator. And if you want to create the projects, you can check it out, the multiple documentation here about like how to create the text to text, or text to speech, or text to videos application. Even more than that, you can check it out, this platform, this one, that is lab AI. You can create the projects, you can create the virtual environment, you need to install the dependencies, and then you can create the audio from the text. So these applications you need to deploy on the Streamlit, and you can create the applications like LangChain tutorials. You can build it. This one means you need to add the text, and from the text you can create the voice. You can create the speech, like text to speech applications, with the help of 11th Lab. So once the session over, please try to explore it. Okay, please try to explore all the projects. Then we have another projects from like Eleven's Lab, that is like, create a stories with the voice AI from the, means what you need to do is, like I don't have a time, so I can't explore much, right? But you can try it, okay, with the help of this one. So basically, you need to write the text, and then from the text you can create the story in audio format. From the text you can create the story in the audio format, and you need to do the same step. You can take the code, you can create the virtual environment, you need to activate the virtual environment, you need to install the dependencies, you need to install the libraries, and then you can create the front end and back end, right? So what they'll do in like this one, so 11 Lab is a voice technology research company developing the most, means you need to take the APIs here, like 11's Lab API you need to take. So 11's Lab API is a voice technology research company developing the most compelling AI speech software for the publisher and the creators. ChatGPT is an AI-based chatbot. Then we have a React is a JavaScript library for building the user in, that is UI. Material UI is a comprehensive collection of pre-built components that are ready for use in production right out of the box. Then the fast API. So what are we going to build? So we are building the React applications to generate the brand new stories and add voiceover to listens to stories. So basically nowadays we all are using the FM, right? Or the too many podcast applications we are using it. So if you want to build the same applications with the generative AI, you can do it. Okay. You need to take only the API. So you can check the prerequisites here. So you need to have like Visual Studio or the PyCharm or the IntelliJ IDEA. Now you need to create the projects, create a virtual environment, activate the virtual environment, install the different dependencies here, take the API keys, fast API keys you need to take. You need to create the front end and back end, and you'll get the application here. This one. So this is like 11 path application. You need to write the text, generate a story, short story about the cat and kittens, and it'll get the story in the audio format. Also, you'll get the text there. Okay, so this application also you need to build from the elements path. So I already sent the link in the chat section. If you want, you can just try to explore it. Right now you are in the third year, so please try to create the project and just explore it. Just mention in your LinkedIn profile whatever you built. Okay, so this is like advanced project you need to build. Then we have a like building AI powered auto dubbing services. Auto dubbing, again, it's related to the AI, it's related to video, right? So what you need to do is, again, identify the requirements, initialize the project, create a project, create an environment. You need to use the multiple tools, you need to use the multiple API keys, and then only you can build it. Okay, these applications you can build it. Like you can dub the audio with the help of this one, that is lab 11's lab. Okay, this thing you need to do at least. Okay, then we have a build your fully voiced AI powered brainstorming partner application. So these applications you need to build, you can check the introductions, you need to create the front end and back end. Again, you need to create the activate the environment, create the front end and back end, and you can create the application here. The whole documentation, story based application you can create here, like brainstorming applications, you can build it here. Okay, you'll get the output, you'll get the video and like audio. Then we have a next project is related to, like, adding a witty narrative into the Minecraft via the simple mode. Then building the simple word spelling application, simple word spelling application. So again, you need to install, you need to take the API keys, that is Anthropic API, this one. Anthropic API you need to take. This API you need to take from the Cloud API, the Anthropic API, because we need to spell the words. So that's why we are taking this API. And the second API we need to take it from the Eleven's lab. Okay. Then initialize the Streamlit project, generate features on the Cloud A model. Eleven's pipe API we need to take, create the environment, activate the environment, and then create the random word generator. You need to generate the words there with the help of this project. This is like simple project. If you want, you can build and you can post it, you can mention in the this one, that is LinkedIn. Okay, so you have a multiple things you need to do. Like within a 2 day or 3 days you can't learn a lot of things, right? But if you want to clear all your basic terminology, you should clear all your theoretical stuff, like basic terminologies. Okay, then only you can build the application. So once the session over, during the 1 week, at least you need to create the 6 to 7 project, and you need to post. You need to create your GitHub repos. You need to post it in the LinkedIn, and always put the content on the LinkedIn about the generative AI, about the Llama 2, Llama 3, whatever you have, whatever, like, version you have. You need to post it there. So just try to explore it. That is this one, 11 smart. Then we have a Composio. Then the another project we have, that leveraging Composio for an advanced multi-agent AI application. So this one you need to try to explore. Then we have a Falcon, building an AI powered personal health dashboard with the Falcon. So there is another applications we have called as Falcon. Falcon. This application we have Falcon. So strategic artificial intelligence solutions, like they have a, you can build the multiple things with the help of Falcon. So building an AI powered personal health dashboard with the Falcon, what you need to do is, you can go to this website. Like if you want to create the dashboard, like healthcare dashboard, if you want to create, if you want to analyze, like, the medical reports and all, then please try to check the Falcon. This, there is a platform called as Falcon. You can create the application, that's front end and back end. You can create it there, and you'll get the analysis there. Okay, you'll get the analysis. Even you can check the use cases of like Falcons in that things, use cases and the best practices for the Falcon. Also, you can check it out here, and you can create your product. You can create the front end and back end here with the help of Falcon. So please try to explore the 11th lab and the Falcon. And the second thing, okay, then this one you need to explore it, Llama 2. Then the Anthropic Cloud, why we are using it? Because we need to build the applications. We need to build the application related to the text. Now we have there, that is Chroma tutorials, Anthropic Cloud model for the enhancing the chatbot knowledge base. So again, you need to check the requirements. Based on the requirements, you need to take the APIs. You need to create the front end and back end. Or you can, for if you want a good interface, you can use it. You can create it. Okay. Otherwise, you can directly run it with the help of Streamlit or the Chainlit. Then we have like how to build your own judicial AI assistant. If you want to build own judicial assistant, again the same thing. Okay, you need to run only the application here, and you can post it. You can add it in the like this one. So please try to explore the elements lab. Then the second one Falcon, and we have a GPT for all. GPT for all, like how to create a product idea maker with a stable diffusion. Just try to explore the CHIRP, this one. So if you wanna explore the like speech to like speech to text model, speech to text model, you can create the like project here about the speech to text model. So please try to explore the elements lab, second one langchain, llama 2, falcon, and also check it out these documentations about the langchain openai, langchain openai. And once you open the documentations, you have a different option. So for example, we have an overview that class packages, local, then the JS support, then how to set up the things, how to integrate the API keys here, how to do the installation process, then the invocation chaining, the all the programming parts you can check it out here. So nowadays we are using the OpenAI, so they are telling you like how to set up the things, how to create the chat models, how to create the LLMs, how to use the embedding models, how to load the documents, how to use the retrievers, how to use the tool, how to use the DALI image adapter, tokenizer, chain. So these are the things you need to explore it. And once you complete all these things like chat model, LLM, embedding models, document loaders, and all, you can easily build the chat models. You can easily build the like generative AI application. Okay, so we have a multiple options here, like and here you can find the multiple APIs also. So please try to explore it, the integration part. Also try to explore the Langchain Smith. Langchain Smith, this one. Langchain Smith, enter. This part you need to check it out, Langchain Smith, like how to deploy the things. So try to explore the Langchain server and the Langchain Smith. Also try to explore with the multiple tools. Integration part you can check it out here. We have OpenAI, we have Mistral AI also. This one, Mistral AI. Mistral AI. So this is the frontier AI in all your hands, open and portable generative AI for the devs and the businesses. So this one is only used for like enterprise purpose. Okay. So this one also you can explore it. You have a time, you don't waste your time, just try to explore the and try to build the multiple LLM models. Because nowadays every single companies they want to build their own LLM models. They don't want they like no company in the world, they don't want to mention like AI in their like community. So we need to build the LLM models for your college, for your organizations. You can just do it. Okay, you just build it. So this is like integration part you need to check. Try to build the things with the help of lab. Then we have a generative AI studio. You can check it out. This one, Gen AI Studio. Gen AI Studio. That is Vertex AI Studio we have. If you wanna build the things, you just try it out. Then this is like DALE. Why we are using DALE? Because we need to generate the images. So instead of for the DALE, you can check it out the Clarify platform. Clarify platform I suggest you here. Then we have a AudioCraft. This is like how to create the musics with the AudioCraft. Okay, so this platform also you can use it, AudioCraft or the multi music gen. AudioCraft. This one you can check it out. AudioCraft, all the multi gen. This platform you can use it. Also you can use the Llama model. Okay, and you can find the multiple music gen or like multiple models. You can check it out here. These are the models, that is melody, you can check it out here, that is and all. So please try to explore it, the audio craft or like for the text to speech or the text to video purpose. And now I'll send the link in the chat section. If you want, you can just explore it. Could you please discuss about the career guidance on the GenAI with our students? Okay, fine. So basically, if you want the placements in the generative AI things, I'll suggest you the options for you. Number one, if you're from any background, now I'll talk about the cybersecurity kind of stuff. Nowadays, most of the peoples they are creating the phishing emails, right? Most of the peoples they are creating the like phishing links, phishing emails. They are creating the like malicious kind of stuff. So with the help of this LLM stuff, you can stop it. You can stop all the phishing emails, or even you can generate it. Okay, you can generate it. You can stop it. You have two options there, like pros and cons. I'm talking about now. Nowadays, most of the big companies, like I'm talking about the Amazon, Oracle, or the Googles, they are focusing on the DSA. They are focusing on the generative AI. But you need to not only the generative AI, you need to explore a lot of stuff, Gen AI with the quantum computing. Gen AI with the quantum computing. I repeat once again, if you want the placement in the big companies, now the AI era is over up to 2 or 3 years later. Then we have another technology called as quantum computing. So you need to explore the Gen AI with the quantum. Okay. Then only you can build the advanced level projects. And always remember one thing, please make a one page resume. If you want the placements in big companies, please try to make the one page resumes, and please mention the like advanced projects. No need to mention the basic projects here, right? So if you are from the data science community, if you are from the machine learning community, try to build the advanced projects, try to participate in the competitions, try to participate in the hackathon, try to do the internships in the cybersecurity, blockchain, or what you can say, the AI based companies or like GenAI based companies. Try to create your own models like ChatGPT, like Mid Journey, okay, and try to explore. That's it. Everything is available on the internet. And if you are in the third year, try to do the internships in the AI based companies that I suggest. Okay. How to do the internship? Just try go for the LinkedIn, just try to check it out the CTOs, try to check it out the HR, check their requirements, what they need from you, and just work on it. Okay. You have a multiple domains, right? Like GenAI is there, data science is there, AI, machine learning, cybersecurity, blockchain. Just try to explore it. If you want the placements, just try to focus, do it, just check it out the real time problem. I'll tell you once again, just try to work on the real time problems, then only you can find out the solution. That's it. Okay. And do some certifications. Don't do the local certifications, do the global certifications for the Gen AI also. And Gen AI is not a rocket science. You should clear all your concepts, basic concepts, then you can do it. And try to read some textbook about the generative AI. You can read the textbook from the packets. There is authors, the packets author. You can learn the things from there also, packets, and you can learn the things about the deep learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, data analytics, data science, and the quantum computing. For the quantum computing, I suggest you here, please go for the quantum supremacy. Quantum supremacy. Please go for the quantum supremacy by Kaku. Please try to check it out this platform, quantum supremacy. Also, I suggest you one more platform, one more textbook. I suggest you here, please try to check the Data and Goliath. Data and Goliath by Bruce Isner. Data and Goliath by Bruce Isner. This platform, you need to check it out. One more thing for the data science, if you are really interested, please try to check the CS15. CS15. There is Harvard CS54. Like check the things on the artificial intelligence. Okay, and just try to explore it. So if you have any query, you can post your query in the chat section now. Now it's 7:41, I think. Charan, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. You just ask them about the Q&A. Let's take a Q&A session.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So we can start the valedictorian at 7:50 then.
Participants, those who have any question, you can ask me. You can clarify your doubts.
I suggest once again, if you have any doubts or anything, if you want the documentation or any other parts, I'll share directly to the Charan. Charan, you just share with them. Huh? I'll share the code and the other things,
Okay, sir.
like documentation part. So if you're like from the second year or third year, just try to create the projects there. At least this week you need to create 4 to 5 projects. You just directly post it on the LinkedIn. And just try to create, once you create the like some basic projects, now try to focus on the advanced thing, not the basic stuff. Just try to focus on the advanced stuff, because like during that 1 day or 2 day you can't do a lot of things, right? So if you want to create the advanced thing, you need to just learn a lot of the stuff. So now, if you have any query, please post your query on in the chat section. I'll just check it out the query and I'll respond to it. Okay, I suggest you the textbook now then. So please try to check it out this channel, that is CS50. Then the second one, please try to explore this one like Splash Pro. If you want to create your own music or the songs, then try to explore the Mistral AI. Mistral AI, you need to explore it. Then please try to work on the Elements Lab. Check it out this channel for the fine tuning and the reverse fine tuning. Check it out. Another one, that is deep learning AI. If you want to do some certification, also I suggested some websites here. Please try to go for the cybeready.it. You can explore the 84 plus courses here about the different domains. So this is the one platform, cybeready.it. Second platform I suggest you here, please go for the plural site. There is a one more platform to learn the things about the deep learning and the GenAI. Please go for the plural side. First one, that is the this one, like cybery.it. Second one, this one, that is plural side. Even you can do some courses by Google also launched some generative AI courses, so you can just check it out, the courses. Okay. Plural side also, they'll provide you some courses, so just check it out, the two to three things. And also please try to check it out, the different hackathon, like hackathon problem statements related to Gen AI. Because every years the GDGC or GDSC, they are organizing some sort of hackathons. So you just check it out, the LLM's problem statements here. Even you can check it out the GitHub repos. So you'll get the ideas like how to create the projects in Gen AI or like artificial intelligence. And for your placement purpose also, you need to have like some major projects, not the minor projects. Okay, fine then. I'll share all the links in the chat section. If you want, you can directly take it. I have sent it in the chat section. You just take it out. Just a minute.
Ajinkya sir, you paste the
Yes, sir.
meanwhile Anupkan sir will talk.
Yes. No problem.
Over to Anupkan sir.
Yeah, thank you, Charan. So, dear students and faculty, we have had an excellent informative and educative session from Ajinkya sir. I have been there on day one. Unfortunately, for due to some personal reasons, I could not be. But when I followed uh, the initial startup and then what he gave, the guidance, how to start as a beginner. And then there are a lot of advanced things that he has discussed. It was a very, very interesting session altogether. And even if you go by the number of participants, originally, this event was planned for attendance of 60 people, but the figures which crossed 100 itself shows that the tremendous amount of awareness among student community as well as some of our co-faculty members. And yeah, so there we can say that the awareness and the information provided us, it has been very good, excellent, and we can have some more sessions in future which will continue this journey into generative AI. For students, it may be a starting stage. What I observed, many things that were discussed here were very, very good, but presently maybe beyond the capacity of our students for the limit uh, at which they are studying now. But it is a very, very valuable sessions were there. So thank you.
Yeah, today's resource person, Ajinkya Lohakare sir, and department assistant associate professors, professors of the department, IngenuITy core committee, GDGSC core committee coordinators, lead all the participants. I am honored to speak before you in this pleasant evening for the valedictory ceremony of 2 days workshop on generative AI. During 24th to 26th October 2024, in association with GDGC, CBRC, to meet the ever demanding needs of knowledge industry, student development programs have always been an effective tool to enhance learning capabilities of students. This event is being jointly organized by IngenuITy, a student technical association of Department of IT, in association with GDGC CVRC. This workshop aimed at fundamental concepts of GenAI. Even we have given in the brochure the 3 days schedule. People have followed, students have followed. and the necessary tools and techniques for the better understanding of generative AI. I found all the sessions were very subjective and informative, and the discussed areas are of great benefit to the students as these topics match with our academic curriculum. Because we have studied machine learning, deep learning, related to that, even we have studied OpenAI, AI. Participants were educated on the most widely used tools of generative AI. This workshop gave technical competence in the basics and the fundamental concepts of GenAI, what I understood. I am sure that you had 2 days, 3 days of very productive discussion given by the very distinguished speaker, Mr. Ajinkya Lohakare, CTO Data Security. I am grateful to the research person, Mr. Ajinkya Lohakare sir, for accepting our invitation and for your outstanding, mesmerized, captivated talk on generative AI. Therefore, before we leave this workshop, let us take this opportunity to show our appreciation and gratitude to our research person, Mr. Ajinkya Lohakare, with a big round of applause. I'm thankful to the chairman, advisor sir, principal, vice principal sir, for their profound guidance and continuous support and encouragement towards this workshop. Also, I'm thankful to all the heads of the departments who have sent their students for this workshop, including GDGAC students, CSC, AIML, Data Science, Cyber Security. The workshop is grand success because of the efforts put by our student coordinators, organizers, technical committee, faculty advisors, Anup Khan sir. Also, I'm thankful to all the coordinators of GDGAC, GDGC, and also I want to show my gratitude to them. I am indebted if I do not say somebody's name. I am indebted to the IngenuITy advisors, President Mr. Charan and Chandana, GDGAC lead Sital and Santan, and all the committee members for their continuous effort to make the event a grand success. Last but not the least, I express my sincere thanks to all the participants showing your interest to learn generative AI. One sentence I want to speak for the today's gathered participants. Curiosity is more important than knowledge because curiosity leads to learn more. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Thank you, Anup Khan sir, for giving me this opportunity. Once again, thank you in this pleasant evening. Thank you all. Over to you.
Yeah, now I request our Vice President Chandana to give the vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. So, as we conclude the AI for Everyone, a GenAI workshop organized by IngenuITy in collaboration with GDGC, I would like to extend our gratitude on behalf of our team. Firstly, a sincere thanks to our head of department for their support and encouragement, and to our faculty advisors for their valuable guidance. A special thanks to Ajinkya Lohakare sir, whose expertise made AI accessible and exciting by introducing various platforms like ChatGPT and LabLab AI. It's my immense pleasure to present an overview of the event. So, the workshop recorded 153 unique participants, and the enthusiasm and eagerness to learn were exceptional and truly encouraging. So, on day one, we had introduction to AI, account setup, and overview of tools like ChatGPT. And on day two, we had focus on APIs, installations, and hands-on coding. And today we had insights on project ideas and guidance on structuring AI projects led by Ajinkya sir. These 3 days, sir helped the students by resolving errors, ensuring that everyone could participate. And moreover, we have been sharing day-wise important notes as well as recorded sessions with all the participants to their mail IDs, which will help them explore more. Additionally, we are uploading the recorded sessions on our YouTube channel. So please, students, go through the sessions to delve deeper into GenAI. And a feedback form will be circulated to your CVR mail IDs. Fill it out as it will help us reach you with the new events and workshops from Ingenuity. Lastly, I would like to recognize our committee members for making this event a success. And to our enthusiastic participants, thank you for joining us. We hope you gained valuable insights to support your future projects. Thank you once again, and we look forward to make more events together. Thank you.
Manu Teja, if you want to speak, speak now, 2-3 minutes. About the workshop only, about your resource person, you should speak.
Good evening to everyone. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. I thank Ajinkya Lohakare sir for inciting on GenAI for last 3 days. Not only this, I was with sir. I was conducted 3 events, partially from CSI, as his inspiring commitment towards the student community for educating for us is very thankful to him for immediately accepting our invitation at any time and conducting in online also. It's a great thing for us, and we are utilizing sirs as resource person as very well from past 2 years, and it is a continuous support from Ajinkya Lokara sir to our department, and Xavier College is very grateful. Thank you sir for accepting our invitation, and it is a very new topic is in growing industry, and it is helpful for everyone to be uh, towards a commitment for learning in real world examples and showing the guideline for utilizing various projects, repositories of various projects, and many things which are shared which helpful for all of us in future. Thank you for everyone.
Thank you, Manu Teja. Chandrasekhar Reddy, some feedback.
Good evening, all. It's very grateful. Thank you to Ajinkya Lohakare sir for sharing the knowledgeable insights. And also thank you to all the students for being consistent from 3 days and showing their enthusiasm consistently. And hope they learned a lot from this. And also they will see and get insight from the notes that the sir shared. Hope they will attend for another sessions and workshop like this. And thanking you all once again.
Thank you, Chandrasekhar.
Thank you, one and all. We had very good sessions. The best part what I liked is, like Chandana said, the recorded sessions have been shared. So nothing, if you could not concentrate at that time, something, you can see those sessions. And I hope you continue pursue this topic. This is a very good thing, both for employability as well as knowledge. So all the best for everyone. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ajinkya sir.
Thank you all. Thank you.